around you. So as requested by some of you, I would like to share my views on the differences between the two sewing machine, that is the vintage sewing machine and the new sewing machine which I just bought recently. While the sewing machines gets upgraded all the time, but most of the features remains the same, like threading the needle is the same, fitting the fabric to the machine is same, and there's only one stitch at a time in most of the machines. So let me talk about the 5 major differences as per my view on these two sewing machines. First is the feature. This sewing machine is versatile, and it's more smooth and it has more options for you to choose if you want to have different kinds of patterns or embroidery done on your different fabrics. However, this machine only focuses on one stitch, that is the straight stitch, and you will not be able to do most of the designing work, but this would allow you to do that. Number 2, the durability and the build capacity of the machine. This machine is portable and you can carry it anywhere and do your sewing without any hindrances. However, this is a heavy duty machine and it might weigh around 15 kilos maybe. So this is not portable. However, in terms of durability, I would say this machine would run for years. Like I bought this like maybe around 4 years ago and it's still in proper shape. It works well. With this machine, I really need to be careful of not getting it exposed to sun, and whenever I'm carrying it with me, I have to make sure that it's packed properly, and because it's plastic. So I'll say guys, nothing would beat metal. So yeah, in terms of durability, this machine is the best. Number 3, repair and maintenance. For this machine, it's very easy to get all the spare parts. Also because, as you might have noticed that most of the or all of the tailoring shops use this kind of machine. That makes it more easier for us to get the spare parts, and this can also be easily repaired. In this case, I'm not even sure if we can get the parts, and it's a little bit of high maintenance in that sense. So I would say that in terms of repair and maintenance, this is much easier. However, this needs a little bit of high maintenance. Number 4, usage. This machine is purely for home sewing, as your hobby, and this is not for heavy duty, meaning it will not be able to sew thick fabrics, or you will not be able to make bags or anything. However, this is a heavy duty one, so you will be able to use it for your commercial use. You can make bags, you can sew jeans and other thick fabrics. So the last and the 5th one is price and value for money. This machine I paid around 13,000, and because this is for non-commercial purposes, it can only sew on thin fabrics. However, this one has come for half the price, but the best part is that you can sew on both the thick and the thin fabrics. So for that reason, I would recommend this as value for money. So guys, those were the major differences between these two sewing machines, and I really hope that this video helped you to understand sewing machines a little bit more, and I would really suggest that you can invest on your sewing machine as per your preference. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you all are staying home safe. Please stay safe, stay positive and stay creative. Thank you so much.